So one of the things we see quite a bit is that we go in and we do an implementation, we configure the solution, and then they use it for quite some time. And then the business process changes. So either there's a new regulation that comes up that they have to handle, or maybe the company has an acquisition. So they either need to change the entity that we've created, or they actually need to create new entities to handle the business process. And this is something that we do very well. We have a very agile product and a very agile process. So we're able to, again, model their business process in Intellimas by creating the configuration right away and then just giving it right back to them and say, hey, is this going to match your process? We then tend to make a few adjustments and then finalize the solution and then go live. And it's something that we can do in days instead of months that it takes to do customization of these systems. Then from there, what ends up happening is the company starts to realize, hey, Intellimas is something that can be used to cover a lot of other different business processes, whether there are gaps in the process or, let's say, inefficient functions maybe in their core system. So then what we can do is come in and then replace those other functions, whether, again, they're in a spreadsheet or the enterprise system. And this just continues to happen over and over again. And then finally what happens is we then typically hand off to the customer the configuration. The Intellimas product is very easy to configure. All you really need is knowledge of the core database, the enterprise database, and a little SQL knowledge, and you're able to create entities very quickly.